Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to block unsaved incoming calls. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your Android phone and open the Phone app. This is the app you use to make calls, and you can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once the Phone app is open, look at the top right corner. You will see a 3-dot icon. Tap on it to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, you will find several options. Locate the one that says Settings and select it. This will take you to the Call Settings menu. Step 4. Now scroll through the Settings menu until you find the Blocked Numbers option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Inside the Blocked Numbers menu, you will see an option called Block Number Categories. Tap on this option to view different call blocking settings. Step 6. Finally, locate the Unknown Numbers option and tap on it. A confirmation message may appear. Simply tap the OK button to confirm, and you're done. Your phone will now block all incoming calls from unsaved numbers automatically. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.